Hey everybody, Dr. Connor here from Outbound Chiropractic, and today I'm going to answer another very common question that we get. Many people ask, do chiropractic adjustments hurt? A chiropractic adjustment is a very specific force that is applied to the spine to restore proper alignment in the spine and remove nerve irritation that is caused from that misalignment or that subluxation. So many people have a lot of relief after their adjustments. After all, we're removing that nerve irritation that's causing a lot of pain in the first place. Now, some people might have a little soreness after they get adjusted. Much like going to the gym and getting a good workout in, you might be a little sore after. You're moving parts of your body that haven't moved in a long time. Chiropractors train for years to be able to know how much force is necessary to be able to move the bone and remove that nerve irritation. This isn't a simple just pushing down in the back or twisting the neck. That's called a manipulation, and that type of manipulation is not specific and can actually cause very serious damage and a lot of pain. So chiropractic adjustments are very specific, very gentle, and extremely effective.